Welcome to the one-day Colorado estate presentation, where you will learn how easy it is to have a Colorado estate that's free from legal fees, probate, and conservatorship. Most people don't know about the very costly estate problems that occur when you do nothing, you use a will, you use an expensive living trust, or you add someone's name onto your assets, and how simply and affordably you can avoid all these problems. You will also learn about the problems and costs with probate and conservatorship. Probate is a court process required to transfer the legal ownership of the assets from the estate of the person who passed away to those who are legally entitled to receive those assets. This is how much money and time can be saved by avoiding probate. There are two kinds of court conservatorship. Each one you avoid can save thousands of dollars in legal fees and years of legal hassle in court. When you do nothing about your estate, you give up significant legal rights as well as the right to save a lot of money and time on your estate. Most people think when you leave something to someone in a will, whatever it is can go directly to them shortly after you pass away. Nothing could be farther from the truth. The Colorado Supreme Court confirms that all wills that leave any real estate, such as your home, no matter how little it is worth, or over $64,000 in other assets, require probate unless you do what's required by law to avoid probate. An expensive living trust is the most costly and complicated way to try and avoid probate, often costing more than going through probate, and in most cases, it isn't even required to avoid probate under Colorado law. Adding someone's names to your assets to avoid probate is one of the most dangerous things you can do. It can end up costing you and those whose names you added thousands of dollars in unnecessary taxes. Most people would agree that the best Colorado estate plan is the one that can eliminate legal fees, probate, conservatorship, months or years of legal involvement, and all unnecessary taxes. Most people are shocked to see what assets don't require a will to be left to someone or a living trust to avoid probate, no matter how much they are worth. A one-day estate plan can have this $5 million estate go directly from you to loved ones on the day you pass away with no legal fees or probate. Not one will or living trust can do this, even for a $64,000 estate that has any Colorado real estate. The cost for this $5 million estate to be received using the $495 one-day Colorado estate plan is usually between $100 and $200 plus death certificate costs. An estate worth over $64,000 worth of home and other assets can cost thousands of dollars when left in a will or living trust. If a living trust is needed to avoid probate or conservatorship, in addition to the one-day estate plan, the cost for that trust is only $200 with the purchase of the one-day estate plan. This trust has been designed to be the easiest trust to make and change in the United States.